Welcome to Unit 5's training video for object manipulation. Today we are going to take a look at how to add links. So to begin, let's go ahead and put some text on our page. Go ahead and type in Unit 5. And now when I select that particular item, I have a drop-down menu. I have other training videos available to you that discusses these different features. But we're going to take a look at how to add a link. So select a link, and now you have a couple different choices. We can go directly to a website. We can go to a page in our notebook. So here we have a couple different pages. I'll show you how to link directly to those pages. A file on this computer. So that way, if you are using your computer in your classroom to keep your file size down, you can link directly to those that are in your directory. Or if you want to share these, you'll need to add those as attachments in the notebook file. It will increase the size, but it will provide access to anyone who wants to pull those documents up to have them attached to your notebook document. And last, you have two different clicking options. You can have a little icon in the corner, which they'll use these icons in the corner, that they will have to select the icon itself to go to those specific things, or that they can click on the actual object to take them to that. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and select object. So we're going to go ahead and put our web address. So when you come up here and you select Unit 5, it's going to go ahead and open up a web browser and take you directly to the Unit 5 web page. Next, I'm going to show you how to link to a slide in your notebook page. So go ahead and add some text here. We'll go ahead and say link to slide. So what I can do is I can go to my link option. I'm going to go to page in this file. So now you're going to see that it shows the first page, which is the page that I have my text on. Or I can go to the last page, which has my 3. Or I can go to the next page, which is page 1, or I can actually select specific pages here. So you'll notice over on this side I have the actual date of when those slides were created. So I'm going to go ahead and I can select this slide or this slide. It will show you an image of what that slide looks like. So if I want my link to this slide to go to page 1, go ahead and select OK. If I want it to be the object, or if I want an icon in the corner, I have those choices. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at the icon in the corner so you can take a look to see what that looks like. Select OK, and now you're going to see once again that little icon over there. If I hover over my text, I cannot select that to go to that particular page, but if I select this, it's going to take me directly to that page that I have linked. Now I'm going to go ahead and type some more text. And go ahead and link it to a document. So I can go ahead and select that document or that image and then link. And now I'm going to go to a file. So I want to go to a document that I have stored on my computer. Once again, this would be a case of I have a notebook file that I'm using on my machine that I can pull directly from my directory. So when I select that, now I can go in here and I can browse where I would like for that to pull that document from. So I select my document, select OK, and I can insert a copy of this file or a shortcut to the file. So you do have the option to bring it in to make it an attachment, or I just want to link directly to it that is stored on my H or C drive on my local machine. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and say shortcut to my file. I'm going to select the object this time and click OK. So now when I hover over that, it's going to say link to a document. Now when I select this, it's going to open up that notebook document. So I select that and you'll see it's opening up notebook and opens up that document. I'm going to go ahead and put in some text here. I'm going to go ahead and link it to an attachment this time. So now I can select this item, once again going to link, and now I'm going to go to my attachments. This is where I have attachments stored so far on this on my notebook on my machine, and you will find out later how to add those attachments. But in one case here, if I was to copy that file, it would automatically put it in my attachments folder. So here I already have some items already in my attachments folder, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. I'm going to put an icon in the corner this time, and now you'll see that I have my little attachment icon here. Once again, hovering over my text, it's not going to link it there, but if I select this, now it's going to once again open up Notebook and open up that document that I have attached. Once again, this is the document that's stored on your local machine. This is the attachment of a file that is stored in your attachments. And that is how you add links to objects. Please check out additional videos on object manipulation or other training videos available to you from Unit 5.